Treating a woman with respect, care, and consideration after sex is essential for maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Here are some key aspects to keep in mind. Communicate. After sex, communication is key. Check in with her to see how she is feeling emotionally and physically. Make sure she feels comfortable and cared for by asking if she needs anything or if there is anything you can do to make her more comfortable. Respect her feelings. Understand that sex can be a vulnerable experience for many people. Respect her feelings and emotions and be attentive to any signals she may be giving about her comfort level or emotional state. Avoid making assumptions and instead listen actively to her needs and concerns. Show affection. Showing affection and intimacy after sex can help reinforce emotional connection and bond between partners. This could be through cuddling, holding hands, or simply spending quality time together. Physical intimacy doesn't have to end with sex. It can continue through gestures of love and affection. Avoid judgment. It's important to create a non-judgmental and safe space for open communication. Avoid making bad comments or judgments about her behavior or performance during sex. Instead, focus on creating an atmosphere of acceptance and understanding where both partners feel respected and valued. Offer support. If she expresses any concern or insecurity after sex, offer your support and reassurance. Be a listening ear and validate her feelings without dismissing them. Providing emotional support can help strengthen trust and intimacy in the relationship. Respect privacy. Respect her privacy and boundaries after sex. Avoid sharing intimate details or experience with others without her consent. Trust and confidentiality are crucial aspects of a healthy relationship, and respecting her privacy demonstrates your commitment to building trust and mutual respect. Follow up. Depending on the nature of your relationship, consider following up with her the next day to check in how she is feeling. A simple text or call to express your appreciation for the shared experience and to see how she is doing can go a long way in fostering open communication and emotional connection. Overall, treating a woman with kindness, respect, and empathy after sex is essential for building a strong and healthy relationship based on mutual trust and understanding. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please do like, share, and subscribe.